This is such the life. Don't you agree, guys?
It sure does, baby. It feels so relaxing to rest out here in the nice warm sun.
It sure is. But I am starting to feel a little hot at the moment.
You know, I have the same feeling as you, Villa.
I think you guys are right. We better think of a way to cool down.
But what can we do to get cool down on a hot summer day like this?
Man, it is so hot out today.
I know. Even my ears feel a little bit sweaty.
Well, I bet we can help cool down everyone with the idea we came up with earlier today.
Hey you six, how are you guys doing?
Doing pretty well so far. We are just trying to think of ways to cool down on this hot summer day.
Well, maybe this idea can help you guys out, including other people that needs some cooling down.
So we were thinking that we should make a milkshake stand.
I'm not listening.
A milkshake stand? What is that?
Good question, Chucks. We are about to demonstrate it to you guys.
A milkshake stand is like a comic stand and a snack stand.
Only instead of selling comics and snacks, we will sell milkshakes to people who are in needs of cooling down.
Sounds extremely interesting. Maybe this can be very successful.
You're right. Then people can have a nice cold treat to beat the heat. Let's get to work on the stand.
Great. 'Cause we got the boards we need to put the stand together. Now let's get building.
15 minutes later.
Wow, the milkshake stand looks very stylish.
And it feels like a real milkshake shop. Jawsome.
Now it's time for the fun part. Selling the milkshakes to all the customers.
You six can make the milkshakes while we will handle the customers.
Alright, let's all get in our places.
Later.
Hey, I see our first customers coming up here. Alright guys, we are about to start selling those milkshakes.
Later on.
Well guys, that was the last few customers that just left.
And boy, we were able to make a ton of money after selling those milkshakes.
Whoa. That can only mean one obvious thing.
Our milkshake stand has been a totally great success.
Our hard work had really paid off after the amount of money you guys made.
And we have one special surprise for all of us.
We have made 9 extra milkshakes for all of us to have.
Yahoo! Thanks for that, you six. We are now going to cool down on this hot day now.
Now let's close up the shop and enjoy those milkshakes.